In today's video, we are building stack of stickers. We're using a sticker base from Dollar Tree and adding embellishments and items from my stash and the scraps. Stay tuned. Hi everybody, it's Julie and I'm here to build some stack of stickers. So we are going to take these stickers from Dollar Tree. Now I'm using these ones because of the black, and that's going to work really well with my journal that I'm making, the Shy Little Kitten. But if you use the ones that you got in your kit, if you purchase one of the little golden book kits, you can build on those as well. So what we're going to do is we want to make sure that our stickers are going to come up. So, because yes, I did have that issue and I ended up ripping one. So I'm going to go ahead and just make sure at least my corners, my bottom right hand corners, that's easy because they'll all be the same. Okay, so I have, if you're here for the premiere, I'm waving hi and say hello to Midnight. Hi Midnight. I'd like to introduce myself. I am Julie. I'm the CEO and Queen Creator here at Dear Julie Julie. I get to bring you a new video every day at 10:30. We play it here in the premiere style, which means that it's a pre-recorded video, but I'm probably over there in the chat and I can answer questions, and excited to get to know you. We also, while we are home, safer at home, and until we finish this little golden book, we are here each weekday at 4 o'clock, also with the premiere. Both of those are Pacific Standard Time. Also want to invite you to our Facebook group, Scrap All About It with Dear Julie Julie. And the link is in the description box down below. And don't forget, those digitals are still on sale in the Dear Julie Julie Etsy shop for 50% off while we're home. So let's get back to that program. File folder that we've been using. And I'm going to go ahead and punch out that. Let's see what else before I put it away. I'll punch out this little heart. Give me a couple things. I can always come back and get more if I need them. Okay. And so let's go ahead and let's get started. So these are some of the images that I have left from stamping. So, and of course we've got that adorable little kitty that we like so much. And this I think I'm going to put on the inside of the book. I haven't decided for sure yet, so I don't want to take that up. But let's see. Okay, we have the cute little kitty sitting on the edge here. And okay, we have pieces of fabric, just random little pieces of fabric that I can use. I've got washi tape. I always think it's fun to just add a little bit of washi tape to the back of some of these stickers sometimes. Okay, so similar to like the clusters, then except that we're building right on top of a sticker. And I like to do these and then save, have the stickers ready when I'm ready. Okay. Okay, we have our little hearts, and I do want to use the hearts, okay, because we haven't done that yet. Oh, we've got this cute little kitty. Look at that. Okay, I like him. So you can build just like you build a cluster. Ooh, I like the pink better. So I'm hoping to get some of this fabric from this in. I've had a couple people ask, so hoping to get it into the shop this weekend. So watch for that. So what I'm going to do on this is I'm going to go ahead and I am going to use my tiny attacher to attach my images to, or my items to the sticker. Okay. Okay, so that is ready to go into the journal. And then of course, if you have some words or something, you could put your words right there. I think we'll go ahead and try this. We'll try ripping the check me out. We have a coffee mug, one of those traveling coffee things. And the picture on it looks like Lucy. It's wearing headphones and it says, check me out. It makes us laugh. Or it makes me laugh. Probably makes Tom laugh too. I don't know. He gets coffee in it every once in a while. He might not even notice. No, I think he... Well, I don't know. These are some sticky stickers, you guys. Okay, so there we go. Check me out. Cute. Very cute. Okay. Then we've got our cute little kitty that we love so much. He's my favorite. And I think he was most everybody's favorite so far. Okay, so if we put him on some of that. And with a heart. Okay. So that's how we're going to do that one. So we're just building clusters, but we're putting them right on top of these stickers. And the stickers can stay on the sticker page or can come off and go back on. And for easy storage, you know, while you're working on what you're making. Okay, so there we go, and then we'll just put that right back on where it goes. Okay, so I have this one. Oh, we've got this one. We still haven't gotten this. This one still hasn't made it into a journal. So I'm thinking it might finally be its turn. Put that so that it's under. I think we had another. Did we have another? Yes, we did. Daisy. Okay, I want something that you can see behind this. I'm down to little pieces of my little pieces. What if we cut around him and do a heart? Okay, kind of like this. You're like going, what is she? Does anybody else just randomly move around? It's like, oh yeah, that's not gonna work. Let's try this. Okay, yeah, that's not gonna work. Let's try this. Oh, like that. Like. Okay, like that. There's a little pink heart. Yeah, I like that. Okay, so let's pull the top of this one off. And let's lay this down so that we end up seeing part of the sticker. So Dollar Tree carries several stickers that are bases like this, several different ones. You've seen me use them a number of times in my in the challenges and making my journals. So there's just a great variety. And in your, if you purchased one of the little Golden Book kits, you got 2 different ones in there. So basically you're just layering on top of the sticker. Okay. I mean, these are scraps, you guys. We are into the scraps. Scrap all about it. Okay, there's that. Okay, so we have that scrap, that. We have one of these doilies. Okay, I like that. I'm going to put that on this bottom one. Okay, so we call this stack a sticker. And basically, you're stacking your sticker, you're stacking your cluster right on top of your sticker. And then you'll be able to just go and stick the sticker into your journal. You can go ahead and give it a little reinforcement. I even recommend a little reinforcement. But there you go. We have 4 little cluster stickers. And so I think these are really a lot of fun. And I hope that you'll try this. Which one is your favorite? I will add the embellishment playlist up here. It'll give you a lot of videos to watch, and also these here. Find something to celebrate every day. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for being here. Have an amazing day. Bye-bye. Oh, I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.